This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Audi A5. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, an inline four-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, a three-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, a 5-link front suspension, a turbocharger, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: heated washer fluid, alloy wheels, cruise control, leather seats, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. With this Audi, each and every detail was considered both when built and when it was given a certified stamp of approval. There is no better illustration of the attention to detail than the 300-plus point inspection process, 24-hour roadside assistance, a factory-backed limited warranty for up to 6 years or 100,000 miles, and the balance of no-charge scheduled maintenance. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.